very healthy and quick salad. It is so delicious that I make it almost every day. So I want to share the recipe with you. Let's go. Here we have lettuce. Our next is red cabbage. If you are new here, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. On this channel, we eat healthy, we stay healthy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comments, let me know what you think about this video. We need cherry tomatoes, yellow bell peppers, we need avocado. I'm using 1 cucumber. We need black olives. It's already sliced. 1 chopped onion. Black olive was 100 grams. Into the bowl, we add lemon juice, 30 ml, olive oil, 30 ml, half teaspoon black pepper. Pour it on your salad. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye.